Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we are going to start with the conversion of hexadecimal number system to octal number system. Let's start with first example, conversion of hexadecimal number system to octal number system. First of all, write down aim. Your aim is convert hexadecimal number to octal number system. First example is A23 to the base 16. You have to convert this hexadecimal number to the octal number system. How to convert? Write down given numbers in hexadecimal form with space. Write down the binary of each hexadecimal number. Now write down the value of A. You know that in hexadecimal number system, alphabets are A, B, C, D, E and F. Value of A, you know, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Value of A is 10. So binary for 10 you have to write. So binary for 10 will give you 1, 0, 1, 0. For 2 you will write 0, 0, 1, 0. For 3 you will write 0, 0, 1, 1. Now, as this is the hexadecimal number system, that's why we have written a group of 4 bits. You have to convert it into octal number system. Now, what you will do? You have to group 3. You have to make 3 bits. Likewise, here also count 3 bits and make a group. And here also. Then convert these 3 group into octal number system. So 0, 1, 1 will give you 3. 1, 0, 0 will give you 4. 0, 0, 0 will give you 0. And 1, 0, 1 give you 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5, 0, 4, 3 to the base 8. It is in octal number system. Final answer is 5043 to the base 8. Now start with second example. Again you write down your aim. Your aim is convert hexadecimal number to octal number. Your second example is BC point AF to the base 16. You have to convert this number into octal number system. As you can find here, decimal point is there. So write down given data with space. Then write down its decimal values. Again write down one table, A to F, and values are 10 to 15. So for B, value is 11. Binary value for 11 you can say 8 plus 2 plus 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. For C, what you will write? 8 plus 4, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0. Decimal point. Here decimal point is there. Then A, value of A is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1, 0, 1, 0. Then value of F, you can see here 15. So it will give you 1, 1, 1, 1. After writing this expression, now the step of grouping comes. In octal number system, group of 3 bits you have to do. So focus on decimal point, start grouping towards left. If any 0 is less, then you have to append one 0. So this will give you 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. And after decimal point, go towards right. If any 0 is less, you have to add. Give you 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This 0 and this 0 we have added here to make a group of 3 bits because our aim is to get the octal number system. Next step is to write down the value of octals. So 0, 1, 0 will give you 2. 1, 1, 1 will give you 4 plus 2 plus 1 will give you 7. 1, 0, 0 will give you 4. Value of 101 is 4 plus 1, 5. 011, 2 plus 1, 3. And 110, 4 plus 2, 6. So 274.536 to the base 8 is the final answer for this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.